Okay, take a look at this sewing machine. The front piece off of it is covered with some hand cleaner. This is goop hand cleaner, and you can see the dirt and discoloration. Just rub that on with my finger, and now let's see what it does. And we'll use a clean towel. Whoops, sorry about the camera movement. Here we go. Get a hold of this. Yep, that's going to do it. It's taking that grime right out of those cracks. See there? This works better as a not one-handed operation, so I'm going to end this and finish this. Well,